I have the world's first bilateral laser distance measurer by Magpie, and it's packed with features. The bilateral design gives you the ability to measure virtually from any spot, making it a huge time saver in comparison to traditional tape or single laser measurers. Just position yourself anywhere along the line of measurement to get the measurements vertically or horizontally, which eliminates the need of a second person to hold a measuring tape or having to move to every corner with a single laser device. You can change your measurement units to feet, yards, meters, centimeters, millimeters, or inches, and set it to whatever it is that you are trying to measure. In area, volume, triangle area, or set it to Pythagorean theorem mode. Finding the middle point, for example, to hang a painting is super easy with this device. By using the continuous mode, it'll provide live, accurate measurements that adjust the closer or further away you are from the middle. Magpie also has an awesome app that connects to your device via Bluetooth with more features. Opening the app is fast and it connects to your device right away. Measuring mode allows you to adjust your device to the type of measurement that you want to take. There is a sketch mode where you can import photos or start with an empty sketch for you to plan out designs and floor plans with measurements. In calculation mode, all your measurements are stored and it's able to tell you how much paint, tile, wallpaper, and lumber you need for your project depending on the measurements that you took, saving you time and money when you head out to the hardware store to pick up supplies. Overall, the VH-80 has a place in your tool belt. Easy, accurate, and convenient to use. Check out the 300 plus reviews on Amazon and for more details about this product.